Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Google Bookmark Widget in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press the two finger on your screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone, press and hold, and slide closer to see the widget below. And okay guys, okay, you'll have to do is click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, to find the widget, okay, you can slide to the left or to the right to find the widget. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Chrome widget. Okay, you'll have to do is click Chrome widget. And okay guys, here in Chrome widget, there are options here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Chrome bookmark widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the Chrome bookmark widget. And okay guys, now you can see the Chrome bookmark widget on your home screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add Chrome bookmark widget in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.